All right, on the way to work this morning, this thing decided it's going to overheat. Then on the way home, it overheated, and I just kept it right around 200 degrees freedom units and used the heat gun. Checked the block or the head, it was 200 degrees. Checked the top rad hose, it was 86 degrees. So that told me the thermostat was done. So I pulled the thermostat out, it was stuck. Now I don't have another one. So if you find yourself in this situation, don't just put that gasket in that hole. You'll lose it. It'll be in your engine. So what I did is I cut that cap off. So something to hold that O-ring. You just cut these two tabs here. I'm not stuck to my finger. You just cut that tab and that tab. You just got yourself a gap. This part's junk. Mine's all wore out. It's not a forever fix. It's just to get me by till tomorrow so I can get parts. This is my only vehicle. But just wanted to share that with everybody. I don't know if probably somebody's thought of that. I'm pretty slow. All right. Finally got my new PTO, well, new to me. And there's my old one. Kind of had a mishap. That's why I haven't been doing videos lately. It took forever to find a new one. Luckily, I found a guy from Grand Prairie, Alberta. He was partying out a truck and he had one. Numbers match identical. Only difference is his gear I got, or the PTO I got from him, this gear's a little bit smaller, which just transfers the power from your PTO. This is your main drive for your PTO. This one transfers the power from here down to other shaft that goes into your pump. I bought the pump and PTO all together. So that one's a little bit smaller than mine was. So I'll just have to run the pump at a little bit more higher RPMs. This one's toast. I started it and never had my pressure line on the back here hooked up. That quick coupler right there. Never had it hooked up, and it deadheaded the pump, and it blew the PTO off the side of the transmission. Never hurt the transmission. Just destroyed my PTO, which is all right. But these ones are obsolete. They're probably not obsolete. Muncie from Indiana, they don't know nothing. They just want to sell you a new PTO for $4,000, which I was not buying. There's my pump I had on it. And there's a pump I got. That one's quite a bit smaller, so I think I'm going to put my pump back on. But yeah, that's where I am today. It's hot out today. It's probably, I don't know what it is right now, 36 degrees Celsius. It's not too bad in here. Got the fan going. Didn't think this thing would fit. Like, no room for air. I had to lift this up to get the truck in. Length is all right. But yeah, 1 inch to spare on the door because that headache rack. But that's fine. It's in. It's a little bit cooler in here. It's probably like 24 degrees in here. Better than working outside in the sun and the heat and the humidity. But bring it back when I do something else here. All right. A couple weeks later, since my last clip, had family come out and that from BC, but I got the PTO and the pump on. I got it all plumbed in. I gotta tie up some lines there. That one's hanging down pretty low. And if you see that one there, it's a pressure. It's gotta be all tied up. Just have to hook up the shift cable now. It's all full of oil, transmission's full of oil. I have to get a new fitting. This is a number 8 to number 10. I don't really like that. I want to go 10 to 10. JIC. I'm not sure about this pump. It's pretty low to the ground. I kind of like my old pump better. The feed and the pressure come right at the back of the pump, so they're up higher. I'm going to try this one. If it doesn't work out, I'm just going to put my other pump back on, my original pump. But yeah, that's all we got going on now. Just gonna hook up that cable for engaging the PTO and give her a try. You spend all day working on your truck when it's 33 above outside and probably 25 in the garage. Got the fan running, go for a tool check, and you find this on the floor. Where did that come from? Wasn't there when I started because I swept the floor. That's been broken for a while. So now I'm going back underneath and seeing where that come from.